It is another beautiful day on the allotment, the birds are tweeting, and today we are planting some potatoes. Today's job on the allotment is getting our early potatoes in the ground. It's a simple process, but a satisfying one. Of course they are going in that bed that we dug over Monday. And it all starts with good soil and a bit of time. The soil here has been hoed and left to settle. Light, fluffy, just right for planting into. I've just scooped out some compost ready to go in alongside our potatoes. Start by using a hoe or a digging tool to create a trench around 5 inches deep, running the length of your bed. It doesn't have to be perfect, just even enough for your seed potatoes to sit in. Space them out around 12 inches apart. This gives each plant enough room to grow without crowding its neighbours. Here we're using a mix of grass clippings and some potato fertiliser pellets from Mr Fothergill's. The grass gives a boost of nitrogen early on, while the pellets help support the crop throughout the season. Once your potatoes are in, gently cover the trench with soil. Make sure there's at least an inch of earth above each potato. They need that cover to grow well. We stake the row with a label so we remember what variety went in and when. Next, give them a good drench of water, especially on a day like today, warm, dry and sunny. And then just pat the soil down lightly, enough to settle it, but not so much that you crush the buds. They need soil contact to grow, but they're fragile at this stage. And that's it, potatoes in. Now it's just a matter of keeping them watered and letting them do their thing underground. This is the kind of task that doesn't take long, but it feels good to tick off. Another step forward, another quiet win in the growing season. Now we wait, water, and let the soil do the rest. Thank you for watching.